Hey everyone, if your microphone is not working inside Microsoft Teams, let's quickly troubleshoot and fix it in few simple steps. First, go to the microphone icon on your taskbar tray. So when you are on Teams calls, you will see your microphone status appear there. Now check whether Microsoft Teams is enabled for microphone access. It must be turned on. If it's already enabled, try disabling it once and then enable again. Okay, sometimes a quick refresh can fix the issue. If your mic still isn't working, go to Windows search bar and type for settings. Click on settings. Now select sound setting. Scroll down and click on more sound setting. Here click on recording tab. Right click on microphone, choose disable and then enable it again. Also make sure that it's set as a default device. That's it guys, your microphone should start working perfectly in Microsoft Teams. That's it guys, if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. For more quick tech fixes, see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a great day.